Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about this product Hello Cake, and the product name is Drive for Him. Okay, so you should buy this product or not. Does it really work? If it will work, how much time it will take to give you results? Does it really boost your testosterone and performance? Does it really give you instant results? So in this video we will cover lots of information. Okay, so this video is only for education purpose, and we are going to provide you some information only. Okay, please consult healthcare pro you can like consultation, and you need to consult your doctor at least once before using this product. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand is very popular, and this brand is 100% legit. There is no problem. Okay, so basically this product is marketed as boost for your testosterone. Basically the main purpose of this product is like testosterone booster. Okay, and it will also enhance your performance as a man. Basically when your testosterone level at peak, then your you can like male and the man's performance is already at high peak. Okay, so the total gameplay is testosterone. If your testosterone is good, then your performance is also very good. Okay, so if we talk about like this product, basically when we checking the product ingredient is very important. Okay, and when we checking their ingredient is really good. Okay, they have testophan and they have lots of ingredient, and all these ingredients are really good, but there are some you can like correction. But if you want instant result like in 1 day or 2 day, then this product is not for you. Okay, this product will take time, approx like 4 weeks. 4 weeks is the you can like good time period. If you consistently use this product for 4 weeks, you will get good results. But you need to keep something in your mind: this is not Viagra type instant effect product. It will not give you Viagra type results, okay, instantly, and it will not fix your serious erectile dysfunction. Like if you have any kind of diabetic, or if you have any kind of vascular issues, it will not fix. Okay, so if you want to get results from this product, you have to wait approx like 4 to 8 weeks. Okay, and after 4 to 8 weeks you will see lots of change in your testosterone level, and lots of you can like result in your you can like sexual life, and there are so many benefits you will get after 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, but if we talk about like some kind of possible side effects, maybe you will feel some kind of acidity, headache and sleep disturbance, but it also depends on person to person. Maybe you will not get any side effect. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if we talk about you should buy this product or not, yes, definitely you can try. It will really give you can like results, but it will take time. And how to take this supplement: basically you need to take 2 capsules per day. Don't increase your you can like dose. Like the prescribed dose is like only 2 capsules per day according to the brand. You can see over here, like they have mentioned like how many capsules you need to take. They have mentioned like 2 capsules per day. Taking more than 2 capsules, it will not improve your results. Okay, because the results is not you can like instantly. It will take time, like as I already told you, 8 to 12 weeks. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. Hopefully this video will helpful. Now thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.